creating affordable woodworking projects focused on mini furniture and decor can be a rewarding business venture that combines creativity with entrepreneurship. The beauty of woodworking lies in its ability to transform basic materials into unique, handcrafted items that appeal to a wide range of customers. By focusing on smaller projects, artisans can manage costs effectively while still producing high-quality pieces that resonate with buyers. One of the key advantages of mini woodworking projects is their accessibility. Beginners can easily start with simple designs, gradually honing their skills and expanding their product offerings. This approach allows for experimentation with different techniques, finishes, and styles, which can help in building a distinctive brand identity. As artisans develop their craftsmanship, they can create a cohesive line of products that reflects their personal style and meets market demands. Effective marketing is crucial in turning woodworking projects into a profitable business. Establishing a strong online presence through social media and e-commerce platforms can significantly enhance visibility. Sharing the creative process from initial design concepts to finished pieces can engage potential customers and build a loyal following. Storytelling plays a pivotal role in marketing handmade items, as customers often connect emotionally with the artisans behind the products. Pricing is another essential aspect of running a woodworking business. Understanding the cost of materials, labor, and overhead is vital for setting competitive prices while ensuring profitability. Offering variations in size, style, or customization can cater to different customer needs and budgets. By providing high-quality products at affordable prices, artisans can attract a broader audience, fostering long-term customer relationships and encouraging repeat business. For those starting in woodworking, focusing on smaller projects can significantly lower the barriers to entry. Many woodworking projects typically require less material and space, making them more manageable for beginners. This approach enables new artisans to familiarize themselves with essential tools and techniques without the overwhelming investment that larger projects might demand. As skills develop, these artisans can gradually take on more complex designs, building confidence in their capabilities. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important factor in consumer purchasing decisions. By using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, artisans can create products that align with eco-conscious values. This not only adds to the appeal of the products, but also allows woodworkers to market themselves as environmentally responsible creators. This eco-friendly approach can resonate with consumers who prioritize sustainability, potentially leading to a loyal customer base. Effective branding plays a crucial role in the success of any woodworking business. Artisans should consider what makes their creations unique and how they want to present themselves to the market. Developing a strong brand identity that reflects personal style and values can differentiate a woodworking business in a competitive landscape. This includes everything from the logo and packaging to the overall aesthetic of the products. A well-defined brand can create a sense of trust and familiarity with customers, encouraging repeat purchases. Marketing strategies are essential for reaching potential customers. In today's digital age, utilizing social media platforms can be particularly effective. Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook allow woodworkers to showcase their work visually, connecting with audiences who appreciate craftsmanship. Engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes videos or process photos, can draw in followers and create excitement around new products. Building an online community can foster loyalty and encourage word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for growing a business. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can provide artisans with direct feedback from customers. These events offer a platform to showcase products and engage with potential buyers face-to-face. Meeting customers allows artisans to gauge interest in their work, understand market trends, and refine their offerings based on real-time feedback. Building relationships with customers at these events can lead to repeat sales and create a sense of community around the brand. Pricing strategies are critical for ensuring profitability while remaining competitive. Artisans must carefully calculate the cost of materials, labor, and overhead when determining prices. It's important to strike a balance between affordability and perceived value. Offering variations in size, style, or customization options can cater to a wider range of budgets and preferences, making products more appealing to diverse customer segments. Understanding customer demographics is vital for tailoring marketing efforts effectively. Knowing who the target audience is, be it young professionals, families, or eco-conscious consumers, can inform everything from product design to marketing messaging. Engaging with customers through surveys or social media can provide valuable insights into their preferences, helping artisans refine their offerings to better meet market demands. As the woodworking business grows, artisans may find opportunities for collaboration with other creators or local businesses. Partnering with complementary artisans or retailers can expand reach and introduce products to new audiences. Collaboration can also foster creativity, as working with others can inspire new ideas and approaches to design. Building a network within the woodworking community can lead to valuable support, resources, and opportunities. Continuous learning is essential for any woodworker looking to enhance their skills and grow their business. Attending workshops, online courses, or woodworking clubs can provide new techniques and insights into industry trends. Staying updated on new tools, materials, and design styles can help artisans innovate and keep their offerings fresh. Embracing a mindset of continuous improvement can lead to greater craftsmanship and creativity. Customer feedback is invaluable for refining products and enhancing business practices. Actively seeking reviews and testimonials can provide insights into what works well and what might need improvement. Positive feedback can also serve as powerful marketing material, building credibility and encouraging new customers to make purchases. Listening to customer suggestions can lead to new product ideas and enhancements, creating a cycle of improvement and innovation. The importance of quality cannot be overstated in woodworking. Craftsmanship should always be a top priority, as high-quality products not only satisfy customers but also create a strong reputation. Investing in quality materials and taking the time to perfect each piece can lead to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. A commitment to quality can set an artisan apart in a crowded market, encouraging positive word of mouth and repeat business. Exploring different selling platforms can also enhance visibility and sales. In addition to local markets, online marketplaces like Etsy or specialized woodworking sites can provide access to a global audience. Understanding how to optimize product listings with effective keywords and appealing descriptions is crucial for attracting potential buyers. By diversifying sales channels, artisans can reach a broader range of customers and increase overall sales.